Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailspace 7.11 on VirtualBox. First go to Tailspace official website and download it. Is tails.net. Click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.11. Click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.1 ISO image. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 1.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox. VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving name as this is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other and select the location where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian and OS version Debian 64-bit because this is based on Debian. Okay, don't select this, proceed with unintended installation. Then click on next. Now we have to configure the virtual hardware. I am giving base memory as 4 gigabytes, number of CPU equals 2, and virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. These are based on availability and recommendations. Okay, then click on next. See, this is a virtual machine summary. If you want to modify none of these values, then click on back and you can edit. Okay, for okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, just click on it and click on edit set. Click on settings or go to machine and select settings, or just right click on it and select settings. All three options. So for okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.11 and hit enter. Welcome to Tailspace. See here we have the language and formats. These are the default values. If you want to change the language, click on this option and you can select the language or search. Okay, the same way remaining. If you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. You don't want to keep it as turned off. Additional settings. See, these are the default values set. See, these are the default values set for these features. Okay, if you want to change, you can click on them and you can change. Now I am going to set the password for the administration. Remember this one, later we need this one. Remaining options I am not going to change. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Tar connection. If you want to connect to Tar automatically, you have to select this reader button. Now just click on connect to Tar. It is up to you, whatever, however you want, you can. Okay, then click on connect to Tar. See, it is establishing connection. Now open terminal and console. Increase the font size. More /etc OS-release. See, we have installed version 7.11. So ID is like Debian. That's why at the time of virtual machine creation we have selected Debian as the OS version. Okay. Now click on connect, start Tar browser. The first step after connecting to Tailspace 7.11 ISO. The first step after connecting. Okay, see, you got the Tar browser. Okay, and default search engine for Tar browser is DuckDuckGo. If you want to on it, just you need to turn on. The first step after connecting to Tailspace 7.11 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update amset sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the administration. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailspace 7.11 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.